our genetic similarities can do more than just connect individuals. The broader scope of ancestry is about populations and evolution. For example, I know that I was born in the United States, but if I trace my relatives back several generations, I would find that I have a strong connection to Northern Europe. In fact, when I look at my 23andMe Ancestry report, I find that I'm 98% European. I can zoom in here, and I can see what percentage of Northern Europe I am, and that it maps mainly to the British and Irish Isles. We can also look at the same information in chromosome view. And what I notice is that even though me and my genes currently reside in the United States, apparently my genes have traveled over space and time all the way from Northern Europe. Look how much of my genome is from Northern Europe, and specifically regions from Britain and Ireland. A much smaller percent of my genome we can see is from sub-Saharan Africa, and a much even smaller region, a teeny tiny region right here, is from South Asia. When we think about genes and alleles moving over time and in geographic space, we get a new perspective on our past. And it can also be a lot more meaningful when you have somebody who doesn't have quite the homogeneous genetic background that I have. Here we're looking at an example from someone named Roy King, and we can see they have an amazing history. 51% from sub-Saharan Africa, 43.3% European, about 1.8% East Asian and Native American, and 0.2% South Asian. Wherever this individual is currently living, their genes are truly from all over the world.